Hey everyone, we have a set of Honda S2000 AP1 taillights, something a little bit different than we typically do. This customer sent in his OEM rear taillights and a set of clear corners to have them installed in the taillights. These are basically just replacement lens pieces or reflectors that replace the factory red ones. We're also doing his headlights, which is why he wanted kind of like a full matching set, like a set of taillights to match the clear corners in his headlights. And we will be taking a video once his headlights are finished up. But we got the taillights finished up first. Pretty straightforward build here, just a clear corner setup. We would be able to do some more modifications to these taillights and maybe offering some taillight modifications for the Honda S2000s in the future. Something like, halo rings or something mounted in these taillights would look pretty cool. Yeah, if you have a Honda S2000 and you're interested in having your taillights done or headlights, just reach out to us. Our contact information is on our website, visionautoworks.com. And if you're interested in headlights, we have a product landing page for that product, which you can just order online and customize the way you want. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.